Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing accounts because Calendar pulls from accounts, so you must be signed into an appropriate service. Open Settings, tap Calendars, then Accounts. This is where Apple links iCloud, Google, Exchange, or CalDAV. Once there, tap Add Account and pick the service type. Entering credentials now saves time. Make sure two-factor authentication codes are available if enabled. This step creates the connection Apple Calendar requires to display events. Rather than creating a separate file, you must manually import. You proceed by choosing the correct account type because each service links differently to Apple Calendar. Pick Google or Exchange for hosted mail calendars and grant the calendars permission when prompted. That lets events sync automatically. If using other, choose CalDAV and enter server URL, username, and password. Toggle use SSL if your provider requires encryption. Once you finish, the account lists in Settings Calendars. This ensures Apple Calendar can read and write events, so syncing and invites work properly. You finalize by enabling the new calendar inside the Calendar app so events appear. Open Calendar, tap Calendars, and make sure the newly added account is checked. Once done, pull down to refresh and wait for events to populate. If no events arrive, go back to Settings Calendars accounts to verify credentials and SSL options, then toggle calendars off and on or restart the device. If problems persist, check the provider's status. Often connectivity or auth errors block sync rather than the calendar app itself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.